Hello, welcome to the Solidworks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see Revolve code operation in Solidworks 2020. Let's try to first create a Revolve boss base. Select a front plane, and as we are already in sketching mode, we can select the axis of rotation. We can draw that. So for that, we'll select a midpoint line. From here to here, we can draw this vertical line, and then we can draw the circle for the Revolve boss base operation of the 50 mm diameter. And then we can specify this distance, which is again 150 mm, and then from here you can exit from the sketching mode, and then you can select the revolve boss base operation. You have to select axis of rotation first, and then inside the selected counters you have to select this counter. You have to deselect this thin feature option, and then inside the angle you can draw 270, and you have to just then click OK. Now we have created this revolve boss base. Now we have to operate the revolve code operation on this feature. So select this face, enter into sketching mode, then you can select the circle. You have to detect the center of this circle. So for that you can use quick snaps and center point snap. So you can see I have detected a circle, center point of this circle. You can draw any arbitrary circle, then you can just exit from the sketching mode, and inside you can go to revolve boss base and you can make this sketch on, or you can set this sketch as a visible sketch. Now you have to select this revolve code option, then you can select this sketch, and then you have to select the axis of rotation. You can select this axis of rotation as this axis of rotation. Now you have to set these angles for direction 1 and direction 2. This is a blind operation. Also you can set different operation like up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, and mid plane. We have already seen these options in our that is video tutorials on the extruded boss base, revolved boss base, and on set boss base and lofted boss base. So there is no need to explain all these options again and again. So we'll first understand this angle. So we can set this angle equal to 90 degree. So you can see that now this revolve cut will operate from here to here, that is 90 degree angle. So this will be, if we reach here, then it will be 180 degree, and this is 270 degree. So we'll try to confirm that. Okay, as you can see over here, this is 270 degree. Suppose we kept on the direction 2, and for direction 2, that is we have to set 180 degree, and on direction 1 we can set 90 degree. So this is direction 1 and it goes from here to here, and in direction 2 it goes from here to here, that is 180 degree. Okay, and we can also apply thin feature, and we can select the we can select the counters. Now we'll click OK, and you can see that we have created this revolve cut, and you can confirm this. You can select this section view, as you already created a tutorial on this section view, how to use this tool efficiently. Now you can see that our revolve cut goes from here up to this angle only, and from here to onward, that is there is no revolve operation. Okay, as you can see, the body is a solid body, and from here again the operation is again revolve cut operation. So you can see these things over here. You can deselect after your view, and in this way we can create a revolve cut inside SolidWorks 2020. That's all in this video tutorial. In our upcoming video tutorials, we are going to see more tutorials on SolidWorks features. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel.